Here's today's loaf of bread. You can kind of see texture-wise, it's still got the like eggshell crisp to it. It's really, really nice to eat. This is a 3-day-old bread. It started to harden a little. Still actually quite acceptable. I could still slice it up, toast it up, and have a good experience. By 2 days from now, this crust just left out in the open air will harden some more and thicken some more. And now it will start to get a little bit tough to slice it up. My loaf is not lost. Most people would say, oh, well, now I just have a brick. But the inside is quite soft, and it will remain soft for over a week. So what can I do to get the outside of the loaf to soften after the point at which it's already staled or hardened and dried out? Notice that during the drying process, it loses its height too. So the fresh loaf from today is taller than the loaf that is now 3 days old. There's an age-old trick. Take a little water, and you can liberally apply it. You can do so on the whole loaf. Bottom is somewhat optional. I guess it depends on how stale your loaf is, but I'm just gonna go ahead and brush the whole thing. You can see that I used so much water that I even dripped some. I'm gonna stick it back in the oven. You do not need the giant deck oven that we have here. So 375 Fahrenheit or above. I'm just leaving it at the normal baking temperature for the bread that we make. Comparing it to day one, you get a lot of that texture back, that kind of eggshell crisp. And you can slice through it easily. The interior is nice and soft still. So this is now a 3-day-old bread. But at day 5, day 6, the same effect is pronounced, meaning the top has hardened a little bit more, and you can refresh in the oven and get back to that eggshell softness on the top.